Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Profi Alliance. This is being launched by Michael Cheney and Paula Marie Roberts. Michael Cheney is a 7-figure affiliate. There's loads of value in here. We're going to look at it. Also, we're going to look at all the bonuses that they provide and all of my bonuses, my exclusive bonuses, and my mega bonus bundle, 225. Lots to get into here, guys, so let's not waste any time. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. I have members area access here. We're going to look at it all. And first of all, thanks for being here. I appreciate your time. Stay with me to the end. I have a surprise for you, so let's keep that in mind, guys. Let's get to Profi Alliance. This is going to go live on November 8th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of only $10, so very good value, guys. Before we get into the members area, let me take you to my bonus page. We've got over 5 days until this comes down, so plenty of time. But Profi Alliance basically is the blueprint that Michael has developed where you can copy his simple method to make $249,701 a month of pure profit in his account.
No way!
He is a 7-figure affiliate, and he has done all of the front end work, and it is all basically autopilot, passive income. Now, it is not a push button way to get rich. You do have to put in effort, as you will see in the training. But once you start to do it, you get consistent at it, it starts generating income for you. Learn more about what Profi Alliance is all about. So Michael has developed a blueprint that, if followed, can make you $10,000 a month and far more. As you can see, some of the numbers he has been able to pull off. Okay, there's quite a few things here. We have the Profi Alliance front end and all of the OTOs. I've got the links here as well. We're gonna go look at these, but I've got them linked so you can also check them out further in more detail. Before we get into the members area, I wanna show you my bonuses and how they are really complimentary of Profi Alliance and how you can benefit if you decide to get Profi Alliance. So in Profi Alliance, he is talking about a number of different things. One of them is getting traffic. Now, he talks about various ways of traffic, but doesn't go into a whole lot of detail. This is where my bonuses are going to come in. So one of the things that he does mention, for example, is YouTube. This is 3 ways to explode your YouTube view rate that I use every time I post something on YouTube. A lot of people don't know about it. This is going to help you climb the algorithm faster and outrank your competition. Next thing he talks about is also Facebook. Of course, we all have Facebook accounts. So he does touch into some really cool things about Facebook, but here are 9 other steps for Facebook dominance that you don't want to miss. Also, guys, he talks about building a list. So this is a really simple way that you'll be able to build an email list easily that I recorded specifically for you. Very simple method and effective. Next one, this is a bonus from Michael that he gave me, how you can make $6 million in 6 minutes. So he is telling you all of the important things, the little tips and tricks that you can use. He does it in about 6 minutes, hence 6 million in 6 minutes. Another one from Michael is the secret that changed everything for him. So he is now able to really make a lot of money without having to work very hard. But this secret that he's going to share with you details how he was able to get to this spot where he is now. And finally, well, almost finally, all the vendor bonuses, which we will look at in a moment. And finally, my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free.
Oh yeah!
To get these bonuses, all you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to the sales page, which looks like so. You click on the download now, that little golden button there. It's going to take you over to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button in Warrior Plus like so, and then it will take you here where you can see all of the bonuses, including my vendor bonuses, which are, Mike's, oops, there. the 225 mega bonus bundle. It's got everything that you're going to need to make crazy money online. It talks about organic traffic, different forms of organic traffic, talks about paid ads, talks about their video tutorials, PDFs, different kinds of traffic. There's also branding, keywords, WordPress, different kinds of ways to make money online rather than affiliate marketing, and it just goes on and on, blogging, etc. Just so much. And we have some extra bonuses from Michael and Paula Marie as well. 3 ways to get rich, millionaire cheat sheet, how to turn $3 into $3,500 a month. Plenty of stuff right there. So with that being said, let's keep going. Let's go into the members area. First thing, you're just going to get a watch this first. This is Michael talking a bit about what the overall product is. Then we get into the main training, get started. Again, this is Michael here. This is the same video. You can download the MP3, the transcript, and the video here. And then this is where we start getting into the powerful formula. So first of all, you want to get your Warrior Plus account, and then you're going to apply for your $100 commissions here by promoting this link, all right? Then he has some ready-made promos for you that you can check out right here. So if I click on it, you're going to see he's got a bunch of promos here. He's got email swipes, Facebook promo posts, and a bunch of other things that he goes, blog posts, etc., that you can use to promote this and also get an idea on how to make similar promotions for other products that you want to promote in the future and your own once you start getting more advanced. Okay, get an audience. So this is talking about where to promote your products to. So again, lots of information in here. Get content. So he's going to show you how you can get that. Now guys, the traffic, this is where my bonuses really come in. He does have some great ideas for traffic, but they are just sort of surface. So mine are much more deeper, which is why you want to get my bonuses with this product. Okay, he's got some other things in here. So lots of information. And then of course, how to get sales. Okay, so that is important as well. Basically, he's saying there is no easy push button way. You do have to put in some of the work in the beginning, and then you can automate, you can leverage, etc. But you have to do the work in the beginning. All right, but my bonuses are going to help you get there faster. Okay, here are some other bonuses, guys. We have the live onboard session. True story, little guy fires his boss. That is Michael's story of how he went to a 7-figure affiliate. You're going to really enjoy that. I like listening to that myself. The plug and play promo simplification system, the Profi Alliance playbook, high performance habits, easy payment processor Facebook group, customer service system. And here is a special behind the scenes of a 274,000K in a week affiliate. Any help you need there, and if you want to get the upgrades, which we were going to go to in just a moment, you'll get them here. We have the special upgrade 1, 2, and 3, like so. So guys, before we go into the price and the upsells, let me take you to the sales page. You got to see it just a little bit a second ago. This is all similar to what I was talking about before, and then you can just click on any of these to add to the cart. It's only 10 bucks. All right, so Profi Alliance. Before I can tell you what Profi Alliance is, let me tell you what it can do. So it can do this. I'll let you guys check this out on yourself. It's quite a lengthy sales page. I don't want to go reading line by line, but there are a lot of high content affiliates who have given their testimonials here that you can check out on your own as well. So you can see a bunch of them right here. We'll just scan down. All right, guys, so there's a lot in here. I'm gonna let you look at it on your own. I do wanna show you the bonuses though in my review. So the first one is a 5-day fast start video series. So free today, get started quickly with this mini video series. Bonus 2, lucrative list calculator, value at 97. It's gonna help you use to break down the opt-ins, opens, clicks, sales, etc. And there, bonus number 3, live onboarding session. Number 4 is the Fast Day, Fast Start Guide. Number 5, exclusive Profit Alliance Facebook group. Number 6, the Ultimate Accountability System. So lots of value here, guys. Over $1,500, just $10 today. That's not even including all of the bonuses that I am offering as well. And you guys get money back guarantee. Got nothing to lose, basically. It's amazing. 30-day money back guarantee. Some frequently asked questions here. Let's take you now to the front end and the upsells. All right, so you got to see what the front end is all about. Our done-for-you money-making system where you can make up to $481.90 per sale without any of the work required to create your online business. So you're gonna get all of these done for you. Includes downloadable video, audio, and transcript, all recorded 2022 content. Includes easy to follow slides and content. Plus the launch bonuses. We just went over the bonuses a second ago, and including all of my bonuses too. The order bump behind the scenes of a 274,000K a week. That is going to be $17 right there. That is an order bump. That'll be inside the Warrior Plus if you want to get that. Okay, premium profits pack at $197. So Exit Pop-Up will offer a 2-part payment. So you can do it for $298. Okay, so this is lifetime recurring commissions, consistent commission system, total email automation, 7-figure affiliate formula. Let me take you to the link of that sales page here. Welcome to Profit Alliance. Now you're invited to join my secret boardroom where the big players make the real money. So he's going to show you even more tips, tricks, secrets, etc. on how to scale up your business faster. So again, you guys, my link is in this review, which is going to be down in my description. You can check this out again in more detail. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. A lot of testimonials. There's probably some bonuses as well. But again, I don't want to, this is already going to be a long review. I don't want to waste too much of your time. So you can check that out. Again, money back guarantee like so. So you can get it for just 2 payments of $98.50. Okay, OTO2 is a 10 times profit launchers at $97. Here is the link. So, okay, so no DS is offered. Content, copy and paste profits, copy, click campaigns, 10 times profit marketing, 10 times profit masterclass, bank big bonus pack. Okay, so no downsell is offered, just 97 straight up. Let's check it out. Okay, so again, you guys, fairly lengthy sales page. You can check this out if it is something that interests you. If you want to upscale, make more money in less time, this is what you're going to do. And again, they've got bonuses here as well. So you can check that out in my link, okay, in my link down there. Now let's go to unit OTO3, the traffic automator at 97. No downsell is offered. Passive profits maximizer, traffic acceleration formula, authority activated the traffic switch, the money siphon, fast scaling system, maximum conversion system, the instant leverage framework, and I'll take you there as well. OTO3, another large sales page. So you can go through this on your own. Now guys, I think for the price of $10, you might want to consider one of these upsells because it is so cheap, and Michael is a 7-figure affiliate. That $10 is just showing you kind of a bird's eye view, a very zoomed out view. One of these or more than one of these OTOs is going to show you way more efficiently, way more focused. So you will be shortening that timeline to be making those profits. So you might want to consider either the OTO1, OTO2, or an OTO3. I will leave it up to you. But that summarizes my review of Profit Alliance. Let me just look over the key points one more time. So it works for anyone, anywhere, newbie friendly, proven methods from a 7-figure affiliate, full support provided, easy to follow system, 30-day money back guarantee, plus you're getting my more focused bonuses that are going to help you get that traffic, 3 ways to crush it on YouTube, You get the 9 steps for Facebook dominance, how to create an email list easily, and then you'll get 6 million in 6 minutes, the secret that changed everything for Michael, all of his other vendor bonuses, my mega bonus bundle, and guys, get one of those OTOs. It's going to help you out. It's going to speed up your whole process. So, like I said, if you want to get this, if you get it through my link, I have an extra treat for you. I will be sending you a thank you email asking you to whitelist my email, and if you do that, I will give you another bonus that I really, really liked. I got a lot of awesome information from, and I know you will as well. All right, my friends, this wraps up my Profi Alliance review. Hit that like button if you got value. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Hit that bell button so you'll be always notified, and get it through my link. Get one of those OTOs. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook. I monitor Facebook probably more than any other media that I'm engaged in. So if you have any questions, do that, and I'll be glad to talk to you. Until then, my friend, all the best. Keep rocking. Talk to you soon.